Hello everyone, welcome to Monday Market Must Knows. My name is Merlin Rothfeld. This week, most of our major announcements are happening on Monday, and there's some major stuff. Let's kick it off with Apple. Now, as of Friday's close, Apple did a 4-for-1 stock split, meaning if you had one share, it's now worth 4 shares. So as you come in and check your accounts on Monday morning, might be a little bit of a surprise going, where did all these shares come from? Came from the split. That will be effective, as I mentioned, Monday morning, August 31st. Now, the interesting thing for many people is when they see a stock split, they think, I'm going to buy it because if Apple's trading at $500 and had one share, I now have 4 shares and I basically have $2,000. That's not the way this works, guys. It splits by 4, meaning your $500 Apple shares will now be 4 shares at $125 a piece. Now, this is critical because it's going to impact these indexes significantly. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is a price-weighted index. And of course, if Apple's price goes from 500 to 125, massive changes going on in the Dow. S&P and NASDAQ, those are market cap weighted, so it actually is not going to impact those too much. It may actually be positive for those indexes because people like to buy cheap securities. And when they see Apple go from 500 to 125, a lot more buyers may come in and push it up even further. So now let's shift the focus to the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which had to do something very serious to accommodate for the lack of technology now in the index. What do I mean? Well, the lack of technology means Apple was the lead dog by far, $200 more than any other company in the index. It's price weighted, so the Apple shares have been pulling it up and up and up. If that now splits by 4, you're going to have to make some changes to accommodate for that lack of technology impact. So what's happening? Well, you guys can bust out some Kleenex today because, well, you might want to shed a few tears. ExxonMobil, the oldest member of the Dow Jones Industrial Average with a 92-year tenure, is booted. Almost made it triple digits, Exxon. Better luck next time. Pfizer and Raytheon also being kicked. Raytheon finally made it to the Dow Jones Industrial Average in April of 2020. Woohoo, you made it to the Dow. Yeah, we got to kick you out because we need to bring in other technology firms to make up for the void that Apple left in their split. Companies like Salesforce, Amgen, and Honeywell will be those new ones being brought in. Again, that will be effective as of Monday morning, August 31st. Now, why is this so important? Because any index, any fund, any mutual fund, ETF that tracks the Dow Jones Industrial Average or is a blue chip ETF or market cap, it's going to have to sell Exxon, sell Pfizer, sell Raytheon, and also buy Salesforce, buy Amgen, and buy Honeywell. So make sure you guys check out those price charts because there may be opportunity in those 6 companies as well as Apple come Monday morning for some big swings. Now, our final piece of information comes from the jobs front. Unemployment data. As we go back to the beginning of the year in February, March, April, May, June, July, you saw a huge spike in unemployment claims, something we've never seen before. Well, it's slowly drifting down, as you can see on the right-hand side of your chart. As of the last month's reading, we're at 10.2%, and expectations are that Friday's number will come out at 9.8. Now, why is this important? Because 10% is a real milestone. It's that line in the sand psychologically that a lot of traders are looking at. If we get down below 10%, I think you'll see some optimism come into this market. Now, those numbers will be released as of Friday morning, September 4th, 1 hour before market opens. So by the time you guys start your trading day, it will probably already be priced in that futures session. So if you're a futures trader, there might be some great swings an hour before that market opens. And you also have non-farm employment change as well. So 2 critical job pieces of data. That'll do it for the Monday Market Must Knows, everyone. I'll see you next week.